In a quiet and serene countryside, there is a small, charming house with a thatched roof. This humble home belongs to a loving family. The house is surrounded by tall, graceful areca palm trees that sway gently in the cool evening breeze. Near the house there is a calm river that flows slowly, reflecting the beauty of the night. On the riverbank, a big buffalo rests peacefully after a long day of work in the fields. As night falls, the countryside transforms into a haven of peace and tranquility. The sky is exceptionally clear, and there are no clouds to obscure the view. The moon is full and bright, casting a gentle silvery light over the entire landscape. The moonlight is so bright that it illuminates everything, creating a magical, almost dreamlike atmosphere. The light touches the leaves of the trees, the surface of the river, and the roof of the thatched house, making them all glow softly. Far away, scattered across the landscape, are a few other houses. Their lights shine faintly in the distance, like tiny stars on the ground. These small lights flicker gently, adding to the enchanting ambiance of the night. The village seems to be wrapped in a soft, comforting glow, creating a sense of warmth and community. Each light represents a family, cozy and safe inside their homes, sharing the same moonlit beauty. The moonlight reflects beautifully on the surface of the river, making it look like a long, shimmering ribbon of light. The water is so still that the reflection of the moon appears almost perfect, as if the moon itself were floating on the river. This reflection adds to the serene and picturesque quality of the scene, making it feel even more peaceful and magical. Fish sometimes break the surface, creating small ripples that dance in the moonlight before the water returns to its glassy calm. Surrounding the house, the gentle sounds of nature fill the air. Crickets chirp rhythmically, creating a soothing symphony that enhances the tranquility of the night. Their soft, consistent sounds are comforting and familiar, adding to the sense of peace that envelops the countryside. Occasionally, a frog croaks or an owl hoots, adding variety to the night's natural music. The air is cool and fresh, filled with the delicate scents of flowers and the rich, earthy aroma of the soil. The family sits outside their home, enjoying the beauty of the moonlit night. They talk quietly among themselves, sharing stories and laughter. Sometimes, they simply sit in silence, lost in their own thoughts, appreciating the natural beauty that surrounds them. The children play near the river, their joyful laughter blending harmoniously with the sounds of the night. They chase each other around, their shadows dancing in the moonlight. The tall areca palm trees stand like silent guardians, casting long, intricate shadows on the ground. These shadows create beautiful patterns that shift and change with the movement of the trees in the breeze. The buffalo, lying peacefully on the riverbank, occasionally lifts its head to look around, then settles back down to rest. Its dark shape contrasts with the bright moonlight, adding to the picturesque quality of the scene. Far away, the small lights from other houses remind the family that they are not alone. These distant lights represent other families who are also enjoying the peaceful night, connected by the shared beauty of the moon and the tranquil countryside. The entire village feels like one big, happy family, united by the light of the moon and the serene atmosphere of the night. The lights flicker as if they are communicating with each other, sharing the tranquility of the evening. As the night progresses, the moon rises higher in the sky, shining even more brightly. The peaceful sounds of nature, the beautiful sights, and the cool breeze create a perfect, serene environment. The family feels very fortunate to live in such a beautiful place, surrounded by nature and the comforting presence of the moonlit night. The stillness of the night is occasionally broken by the soft rustling of leaves or the distant call of a night bird. The moonlit night in the countryside is a time of unparalleled peace and beauty. It is a time for relaxation, reflection, and appreciation of the simple joys in life. The bright, clear sky, the calm, reflective river, the gentle sounds of nature, and the soft glow of distant lights all come together to create a perfect, harmonious scene. This tranquil night is a reminder of the beauty of nature and the simple yet profound pleasures of life in the countryside. The family remains outside until late, unwilling to leave the enchanting moonlit world. The children eventually tire and snuggle close to their parents, their eyes heavy with sleep, but still shining with the magic of the night. As they finally head inside, the moonlight follows them, casting gentle shadows through the windows and illuminating their dreams. Inside the thatched house, the family sleeps soundly, comforted by the natural beauty that surrounds them. The moon continues to shine brightly, watching over the village and casting a protective glow. The countryside, bathed in moonlight, stands as a symbol of peace, beauty, and the enduring connection between people and nature. The night is a timeless gift, a moment of perfect harmony that will be cherished in the hearts of the family forever. Serene. Meaning: calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Example: the serene countryside was a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Charming. Meaning: pleasant or attractive. Example: the small, charming house with a thatched roof looked like it was straight out of a fairy tale. Graceful. Meaning: having or showing elegance. Example: the areca palm trees swayed gracefully in the cool evening breeze. Haven. Meaning: a place of safety or refuge. Example: as night falls, the countryside transforms into a haven of peace and tranquility. Illuminate. Meaning: to light up. Example: the moonlight illuminates the landscape, creating a magical atmosphere. Enchanting. Meaning: delightfully charming or attractive. Example: the village lights flicker gently, adding to the enchanting ambiance of the night. Symphony. Meaning: a harmonious combination of sounds. Example: the crickets chirped rhythmically, creating a soothing symphony in the night. Tranquility. Meaning: the quality or state of being calm. Example: the tranquility of the night is enhanced by the gentle sounds of nature. Picturesque. Meaning: visually attractive, especially in a quaint or charming way. Example: the moonlight reflecting on the river creates a picturesque scene. Harmony. Meaning: the combination of different elements that work well together. Example: the bright sky, calm river, and gentle sounds of nature create a perfect harmony.